Hello and welcome to Easy Learning is Smart Learning. We have learned what programming is so far, and today I will tell you how you can create your first program in programming in C language. So let's get started. So to create a C program, you need to start any compiler of your choice. Like I have downloaded Dev C++ and I have installed it. Thereafter you have to go to start menu and then you will start this compiler. You have to click on the file, then go to new, and here it is written a source file. So what is the source file we have discussed in the previous lecture? Click on the source file and just you have to learn how you can start coding from this part onwards. So say for example, I am just giving you hello world example here, and now you have to start by hash sign and you have to write include. So I will explain it to you what is hash include. Whenever you want to create any file, you have to type here hash include followed by stdio.h. This is a header file. What is the header file? Header file includes the definition of all the functions we are going to use in our program, and if you will not include this header file, what will happen? The function you will use which is not included in header file will give you an error. So in simple words, you have to write hash include stdio.h because this is standard input output header file including all the definitions of the major functions which you use for input and output. So you have to write here hash include stdio.h. Now if you are using any C++ compiler, do not forget this, that you have to save your file first before you will compile it, because the compilation of C file and the compilation of C++ file is different from each other. So you have to write specifically here any name of the file, say for example example01 followed by .c. So once you will mention .c extension with the file name, it will become a source C file code. So yet our file is not compiled, but you have to finish the code first, then we will go for execution, and before we will go for execution we will compile it, then we will execute it. Now you have to include a main function. So before main function you have to use this keyword, it is void. Void means nothing. The function main will not return any value. So in any C program we have to understand several things. So now I know this very well that you will have several questions what is going on in our mind. So I have just stopped the screen to explain it to you that what should you know before you will create your first program. Say for example, we have just written few lines like hash include, void main, and we have used brackets. Those are curly brackets. Now why these are all needed to create a program? Because every language have a proper syntax. If you will say is this a book, so okay, you will judge it by a few words that this is a book is written in some different order. So the thing is that whenever you write something in a proper manner, it means something. To create an information, you have to write it in a proper manner. Now in a programming language, when you will write something in a proper manner which is already written before, you don't have to bother about whether it is written perfectly or not. No, you just have to copy the syntax written by the developers of C, like how Dennis Ritchie was developed this programming in C language in Bell Laboratories. So you just have to follow the same procedure how he developed that language. So let's continue our lecture. So you have to follow this syntax, that every time you have to include header file or files, those are needed, and to define functions over here, and to use the functions which is defined in this header file. In every program you have to include one main function, because every C function has mandatorily a main function. Now there are two parts of a main function. Number one is declaration section. I'm just writing here declaration section, and number two is executable part. These two parts of a main function develops a C program, okay, forms a C program. So we will begin with the first part, which is declaration, and followed by executable part. So in our first program we do not have any declaration section, so simply we will go for the executable part, which is, I'm just writing here printf and followed by parenthesis, then you have to write here hello world. So I'm just saying here hello world, and this program is our hello world program, which is simply written followed by printf. Now why we have writing here printf? Because this f stands for format, and print stands for, you know, that if you want to get some output on the console, we will discuss about the console as well. Now this print will print something on a console output. What it will print? It will print hello world. And the last is semicolon. This is known as terminator. So after each executable statements you have to write a semicolon symbol to tell the compiler that the line is now terminated. If you will not write here, again it will raise an error for you, that you have to remove it by just putting a semicolon, or you have to follow some syntax. So in this program we just have one executable part, we have main function, we have hash include as a header file, and these are the curly brackets, which is actually a block, which is known as a block. So this is our main function block. We should have we may have several blocks in our program. Our next step is to compile this program. So the term compilation I have explained in the first episode. Compilation means this source code will be converted onto your computer readable form, that is machine code, or you can say object code, that will be run by this operating system. So we have to go to execute button, and here we have several choices. Number one is compile, then run, then compile and run. So if you are sure that you do not have any error on your program, you just click on the compile and run button. It will compile the program first, and then it will run the program. Then an object file will be created, name it example01.exe. so our source code is example01.c, and our object code is example01.executable file, which is Windows executable file. It is created by Dev C++. So that's all for this lecture, and I hope you have enjoyed it, and you can just repeat this lecture to understand that a C program needs this to create a hello world program. In the next lecture I will tell you how you can declare variables, and more about your header files, and some more library functions. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Then like the video if you like it really, and see you on the next lecture. Thank you very much.